Welcome to the working environment for Java programming. With tools like JDK and IDEs, you can write, compile, and run programs. This setup makes coding faster and easier.
Open source software lets you see, modify, and use code for free. Built by a community, it promotes teamwork and saves money. It gives you the freedom to learn, improve, and create your own software. Open source software gives you access to the source code, so you can study and modify it freely. It's cost-effective, community-driven, and more flexible compared to proprietary software.
IDE brings all coding tools in one place. You can write, edit, debug, and run programs easily. It helps you find errors quickly and makes programming faster and more efficient.
IDEs make coding faster and smarter. They highlight code, detect errors instantly, and help you compile and run programs easily. Plus, they organize everything in one place and improve your understanding.
Java has evolved over time to become faster, easier, and more powerful. From basic programs to modern applications, each version improved performance, stability, and features for developers. Java development tools help programmers write, compile, test, and debug code. The JDK is essential, while IDEs like BlueJ and NetBeans make coding faster, easier, and more efficient. OpenJDK is the core tool for Java programming. It helps compile code into bytecode, provides libraries for common tasks, and uses the JVM to run programs on any platform.
To run Java smoothly, you need proper hardware and software. A good processor, enough RAM and storage handle performance, while a stable operating system and updates keep everything running safely. To start Java programming, you need OpenJDK and an IDE. The JDK runs the core processes, while IDEs make coding easier by combining tools like editor, compiler, and debugger in one place. Java IDEs like Dr. Java, NetBeans, and MyEclipse help developers write, compile, and debug code easily. They combine all tools in one place, making programming faster and more efficient. BlueJ is a beginner-friendly Java IDE designed to make learning simple. It shows classes visually, helps you understand concepts easily, and lets you compile and run programs in just a few clicks. Perfect for starting your coding journey. BlueJ offers a simple interface, visual understanding of classes, and quick program execution. Along with tools like NetBeans and MyEclipse, it helps students and developers build Java applications efficiently. BlueJ makes Java programming simple for beginners with its easy interface and visual tools. It supports quick coding, error checking, focuses on learning, making programming clear and easy to understand.
Great! Now you understand Java's working environment, JDK, IDEs, and tools. Keep practicing, build projects, and turn your ideas into real applications. This is just the beginning. Start coding today.